Welcome to Forex4U's video tutorial about MT4 on the desktop. In this video, we will explain how to download, install and log in on MT4. You can download an MT4 trading platform for the desktop from the website forex4u.com. Go to Platforms in the top menu and then click on an option MetaTrader 4. Forex4U offers different MT4 options for major operation systems, such as Windows, iOS and Android. In this video, let's choose MetaTrader 4 for Windows. Click Download for PC to download the installation file. Now go to the download folder on your desktop. Then click on the file to start the installation. Now read the license agreement with MetaQuote Software Corp. If you click on Settings, you can choose in which folder you want to install MT4. Choose where you want to install MetaTrader 4. Then click Next to proceed with the installation of MetaTrader 4. Click Finish when the installation is over. Once the program is launched, you'll see the login window. Firstly, you'll need to choose your trading server. You'll see that Forex4U has many trading servers. You can find the server name in the registration email. Here, it is eGlobal Classic 2. So we choose it and then press Further. Next, we choose Existing Trade Account, and here you need to fill in your login and password. This was given to you by Forex4U during the trading account registration. You can find this data in the registration email by Forex4U. Copy the login, which is your account number. Next, go to the trading password. When filling in the password, remember that it is case sensitive. Make sure that you check Save Password in order not to log in the next time you open MT4. After that, press Finish. Now check your connection status in the lower right corner. If you see these green and red columns, along with the internet speed indicator, it means that you are connected to the server and able to trade. If at some point you need to log into another MT4 account, press File, Log into Trade Account, and fill in the required data. This concludes the first video tutorial about installing MT4 on your desktop. If you still have any questions, then please watch our other video tutorials or contact our support team.